Assalamu alaikum, welcome back and Step 24 channel. Today I'm going to show that how can you add extension to your body for your YouTube keyword research tools. So let's get started now. My Google Chrome browser open and now start the studio.youtube.com. This is my YouTube channel. First of login, I add the extension Tubebuddy and that's the another tag. Look here, this is 82 subscriber and others. No extension added in this. So now I would add this Tubebuddy. Now search the Google Tubebuddy extension and press hit enter. Now look here, the Tubebuddy tool is sponsored and click on Google Tubebuddy. Press Tubebuddy. The most important, the common Tubebuddy SEO expert tool for YouTube channel. And now add the Google Chrome, add extension. Just keep sometimes for the annotations. Okay. Look here. Now the automatically welcome Tubebuddy font page appears. Almost done. And look this extension. Just pin up Tubebuddy and click here. Look this all Tubebuddy extension here. Now I refresh my channel and I look there. This automatic Tubebuddy icons edited this my channel. Okay. Look here. The Tubebuddy sign is required. Now my channel edited the Tubebuddy with the Gmail login. And click here. Sign in with YouTube and look, thank you for installing Tubebuddy message. You are now wearing the paper and just to verify my phone number. I enter my phone number and there's one verify code in my mobile phone and pick this code and apply. Already verified. Now press OK. Look here. Hello, this is all extension. Tubebuddy wants to access your Google account. And now just click on hello. Now refresh my channel and thank you for installing Tubebuddy. This is the first message, the YouTube Tubebuddy and pros. I don't need the extension and look here, upgradation for your full feature and my all. I want to SEO my channel and my video title when I upload it, and I want to first of all one video I SEO with the Tubebuddy and the motivational speech. And I look, this is the Sidratul Muntaha and analytics and the details is my old video, but when you upload the new video you try to SEO with the okay. Just I copy like the first title or the upgradations Tubebuddy message continuously. But if you want to upgrade with this the some money, and you get this very more attractive feature, title generator Tubebuddy. Copy and I press on keyword explorer and paste the keyword and what's the explore the search optimizations for this keyword. Look here is the good. Okay, and if you want to edit this title, you search the which title best for your video. Okay, where is the Sidral Muntaha and explore. Look here. Fair. Okay. So it is not so good. So thank you for watching this video. Stay connected and stay tuned.